Hello, bonjour, I am Chef Fabrice from Cooking with Clarence, and today we're going to prepare some roux. Alors maybe you wonder why am I going to prepare some roux if I'm not going to make a sauce? Well, it's just to have some roux at my disposal. Voila, because roux can be made in advance, and roux is something you can have in your fridge at your disposal, and whenever you need roux, is there. Okay. So we have a scale here. I'm going small pot. I'm going to measure some butter. Voila, nice piece of butter, like so. Let's see how much we have. Let's make so much. Maybe 75, it's enough here. That's perfect. 75 grams of butter. Let's melt it gently. Okay. And here, excuse me, some flour. Same quantity. 75 grams of butter, 75 grams of flour. Perfect. So I melt my butter here. You see, gently. So you just like melt the butter. Do not brown your butter. Just make it melt gently. Voila, not too much. That's perfect. So once it's melted, off the fire, you're gonna add the flour. Everything inside. Voila. Let's mix it. Okay. Voila, well combined. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back on the stove and we're gonna cook it. I have here a spatula and my jug. So I'm gonna cook it like so. Non-stop mixing. Go everywhere. And wait for the moment it's gonna be simmering. You see, like this. So now I start to cook. You see, and you keep on whisking gently all over. Okay, and we make sure it doesn't burn. Voila, nice. It's nice cooked, and straight away in my jug. Hop. Et voilà. Voilà. And my roux is ready. You see? So you see the jug, then I can close, nice, neat, and I save it in my fridge. Voilà. And anytime I will need some roux, I have roux at my disposal. Alors, here I have some that is been done already. You see? Voila. So, as you see, it is cold, hard, and let's say I need a piece of roux. So all I do is I take a piece of knife, I just cut a slice like this, and on my board I chip it like this, and I have roux ready to use in my sauce.